Hi, it's Mike DelSignore. I'm in Bridgewater, Massachusetts, and I wanted to talk about what happened to be charged with OUI by the Bridgewater Police Department. Bridgewater Police are very aggressive in arresting people and charging them with OUI. I've had a lot of success with this department. I've had a lot of cases over the years with them. One thing, they have a video of the booking process. Most people look pretty good in the booking. The booking video is an opportunity for us to present independent evidence that you don't look under the influence of alcohol, that you appear to be moving without any difficulty, that you're speaking properly, you're answering questions, you're responsive. And frequently I'll use these videos, I'll edit them, and I'll create like an 8-minute clip or a 7-minute clip showing that you're speaking clearly, you're moving up and down, you're getting up, you're getting down, and we'll edit it because we gotta, if you took a breath test and it got knocked out, we gotta edit that part out, or if you refused it, that part's all inadmissible. So we'll create a shortened part where it's basically the highlights of how you did. Keep in mind, if you refused a breath test, the jury doesn't get to know that. So these are strong cases to fight. Because it's just opinion evidence. It'll just be the officer's observations about the driving field sobriety tests. And many people come in and say, I ask, well, how'd you do on the field sobriety? Because I like to get people's gut reaction of how they thought they did. And most people say, oh, I did terrible. And then when I look at the report, a lot of times I'll be like, well, you didn't do so badly, because people don't know, when you charge, you don't know everything the officer's looking for. They're being very particular on these tests. They're looking for things like whether you start too soon. Not only just whether you walked heel to toe, but did you take the right number of steps? Did you stop while walking? And I'll go through all those details that I know from having studied police officers training on these, and I'll be able to tell you that based on everything, based on the report, based on everything, that all the information I have, that I'm going to be able to show to the judge, the jury, through cross-examining the officer, that you did very well on these tests, or at the very least, the tests don't indicate that you're under the influence of alcohol. And that's what we need. We don't need to prove anything in these cases. We just got to establish a reasonable doubt and create enough doubt that maybe it wasn't alcohol, maybe you were tired. And that's what I've been doing over the years in fighting these cases. And cases out of Bridgewater, from Bridgewater Police, East Bridgewater, West Bridgewater, those all go to Brockton District Court. They know me very well. I've had a lot of success, both trials in front of judges, juries there. It's a court I love to go to. So if you need help, call me. Call anytime, 781-686-5924. Call nights, weekends, anytime, text, and I'll go through the process with you. There's a lot to these cases. I've been teaching other lawyers about OUI defense. Spoke recently at a Plymouth County Bar Advocate event explaining how I get the breathalyzer knocked out of evidence. I'll be glad to go over all that with you when you call.